Local news for Wednesday the 22nd of March. Work on the much anticipated Rimataka Hill Road corner widening project on State Highway 2 has been delayed while additional consents are sought. It came to light late last week that the extent of the corner easing went beyond the original area, and consequently there is a requirement for consents to be issued from both the South Wairarapa District Council and Department of Conservation. A new start date for the project will be communicated once the planning process has been worked through. Featherston is riding a wave of popularity at the moment, and residents are being invited to a community potluck dinner to hear all about the Fab Feathy project, which is currently underway. The night will go through existing and future projects and look to input and create new ones. Locals are invited to the potluck dinner at the Anzac Hall Sunday the 2nd of April from 5 till 8 p.m. And in sport, hundreds are expected tonight at Clearville and tomorrow night for the first of two tests between the New Zealand men's Black Sticks and Pakistan. Gates open at 5 p.m. for a 6:30 start, with gate sales available. Adults $15, college and student from $10 and $35 for a family pass. Primary kids are just $5. For Wairarapa News, good morning. I'm Brent Gare.